The Arpha Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock presents a compelling upgrade for homeowners seeking to modernize their entryway with a robust and feature-rich digital solution. Its most immediate and impressive feature is the seamless auto lock and unlock functionality, which engages the deadbolt automatically as you leave, ensuring the home is never accidentally left unsecured. Upon your return, the system recognizes your approach and unlocks the door with a satisfyingly smooth mechanical action, eliminating the frustrating search for keys with arms full of groceries. This core smart feature is the centerpiece of the product, designed for a truly key-free lifestyle. The lock's construction from a strong and heavy zinc alloy provides substantial heft and a feeling of immense durability, while the striking black and orange color scheme offers a modern, tech-forward aesthetic that enhances the home's curb appeal. Security is paramount, and the Arpha lock addresses this with its sophisticated 100-code anti-peek combination keypad. This advanced system allows for the creation of numerous unique access codes for family, trusted friends, or service providers, with the anti-peek feature ensuring that the correct passcode remains secure even if someone observes the fingerprints on the keypad. The ability to grant and revoke access digitally provides unparalleled control over home security, far surpassing the limitations of traditional physical key management. This makes it an ideal solution for managing access for housekeepers, dog walkers, or guests without the need for costly and insecure key duplication. The one-touch lock feature on the interior panel allows for instant locking with a single button press, adding a layer of convenience and speed when exiting under time constraints. Installation is notably straightforward, designed to be a potential DIY project for those with moderate handyman skills. The lock is engineered to fit the standard preparation for most common deadbolts, minimizing the need for complex drilling or door modification. The package includes a clear and comprehensive installation guide, all necessary templates, and the hardware required to complete the setup without professional help, saving on additional costs. The intuitive design ensures the exterior keypad and interior mechanism align correctly without fuss, making the transition from an old lock to this new smart system a manageable task that can be completed in under an hour for many users, bringing immediate value and enhanced security. For ongoing operation and maintenance, the Arpha includes a crucial low battery alarm that provides ample warning before the power is depleted, preventing an unexpected lockout. This proactive system ensures homeowners can replace the standard batteries well in advance, maintaining continuous and reliable operation. The peace of mind offered by this feature cannot be overstated, as it effectively mitigates one of the primary concerns associated with electronic door locks. The mechanical operation remains buttery smooth, and the entire unit feels incredibly solid and reliable during daily use, reinforcing the sense of security it is designed to provide for secure home access. While the Arpha lock excels in many areas, it is not without minor drawbacks. Some users might find the auto unlock feature to be almost too immediate, activating a step or two earlier than expected, which could be a minor adjustment in habit. The keypad, while responsive, is not backlit, which could make entering a code in complete darkness a slight challenge without external lighting. These are, however, minor considerations in an otherwise exceptional product. Overall, the Arpha Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock delivers a powerful combination of high-grade security, exceptional convenience, and robust construction, making it a top-tier choice for anyone looking to invest in a smarter, more secure home.